Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Patrick Lancaster. I'm one of our sales and leasing consultants. I'd like to take you out on the lot today and show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with heated power folding side mirrors with integrated turn signals, step rails, and deep tinted glass. Supremely capable and offering improved interior materials and features, the redesigned 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is an excellent choice among heavy-duty pickup trucks. This Silverado has 18-inch polished aluminum wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Silverado is in great condition. It has halogen projector headlamps along with fog lights, recovery hooks, and a really nice grille with a chrome surround and the iconic Chevrolet emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a very powerful 8-cylinder 6.6-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Silverado has 4-wheel drive as well as a 36-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Silverado has only 22,306 miles on it. At the back of the Silverado, you can see the cargo lamp and the power sliding rear window, along with the easy lift and lowering locking tailgate, the tow package, the chrome bumper with corner steps, and the large brake lights. The bed of this Silverado has even been upgraded with a heavy-duty fifth-wheel hitch. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Silverado has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. These seats fold up, and there are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. The driver's seat even has a memory feature. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Silverado is also equipped with a garage door opener, locking glove box, and OnStar. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks, and the power windows with express down. This Silverado has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect external devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even includes voice activation. You have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at 843-236-2161 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com.